Making curtains is a great beginner sewing project. Let's talk about how to whip up a pair of cafe curtains. The width of your curtain panel will be the width of your fabric, with the selvage edges trimmed off. The height of your panel of fabric should be the height that you want your curtain panel to be, plus 7 inches. You'll begin making your curtains by folding down the selvage edge of your fabric. Fold it down 1/2 inch, then another 1/2 inch, pressing it to make a nice crisp edge. This is the part that will be vertical on your curtain panel. If you feel comfortable hand feeding this into the machine without pinning, go ahead and skip straight to that step. Otherwise, pin this hem into place and then stitch it. I'm using pink thread on the top here so you can see what I'm doing, but otherwise you'll want to choose a matching thread. My bobbin thread is black, so once I flip this around, you'll be able to see those stitches too. After stitching both vertical edges of my curtain panel, it's time to create the top and bottom hem. These both begin the same way. You'll fold down 1/2 inch on the edge and then fold it down another 3 inches. Use an iron to press it into place and then pin and stitch down the edge. After you're done with one end, then you'll just flip it around and do the same thing on the other end. Now that I have a top and a bottom hem, I'm going to create the channel for my curtain rod. I'm going to make my channel 1.5 inches because it's for a cafe curtain and my rod is a little more narrow. If you are using a heftier rod, you might want to make your hem longer and your channel larger. I'm marking where the stitches should be with straight pins here, and then I'm going to stitch along the pinned line to create the channel. Here you can see where I've stitched the channel. All I need to do now is insert a curtain rod and then hang my curtains in their place. See, making curtains really is that easy.